or tomorrow. Let's focus on what's going to happen on Tuesday.
Yeah, the weekend's looking chilly. Patrick, out ahead of that, we have a cool day today. Certainly feeling autumn's chill out there to begin our day this morning. And we've also still seen some of the smoke from the wildfires out west in our upper levels of our atmosphere. And so while the skies are sunny, what we do have is that sun dulled a little bit by that smoke in the upper levels. And in East Providence, clear skies here, North Scituate, good visibility, cool beginning to the day. Afternoon highs this afternoon about 10 degrees cooler than yesterday. Upper 60s with those northeast winds turning more eastward. Currently outside, upper 40s to lower 50s. We dropped into the 40s in many spots last night, and now those temperatures are still good 15, 20 degrees cooler than what they were yesterday morning at this time. So if you're just getting little ones out the door, maybe off to school this morning, make sure they've got a sweatshirt or a jacket. Dew points are low, and that's going to provide some dry air for us. So there's no rain on the radar, none expected today. We're going to be under the influence of high pressure. That high going to block any rain from coming our way for today, tomorrow, and most of Thursday before our next front comes in. You can see that cool air all over the northeastern United States. So a cooler than average day today. By 10 o'clock this morning, we'll be back to the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Lunchtime temperatures mid 60s, and then by 2 in the afternoon, we're in the upper 60s in Providence, Newport, Westerly, between about 65 and 70. And we'll see highs this afternoon in Smithfield and in Taunton running in the upper 60s. Later on this evening and overnight tonight, we're also going to be on the cool side, dropping at 7 o'clock in the evening to the lower 60s, even some 50s at that point. And as the night goes on, we'll cool 50 to 55, the overnight low tonight. Not quite as chilly as this morning, especially at the coastline, but another cool beginning to the day. And then tomorrow afternoon, recovering back to the middle 70s. We still have that high surf advisory in effect today until 8 o'clock this evening for any ocean exposed beaches. The surf, its highest that we're going to see this week at about 6 to 9 feet. That's going to lead to a high rip current risk for much of the coastline today with those sunny and cool conditions on the bay. We are looking at the winds out of the north turning more eastward in the afternoon. Visibility is fine. High tide was at 6:30 this morning and a low tide right at midday, 12:08 this afternoon. Looking ahead, so this is the forecast by 8 o'clock Thursday evening. We're dry up until that point, but but by the evening hours, we expect this cold front to be approaching the area, and there could be some showers with it. Here's Sally's remnants still in the southeastern United States. That front will likely pick up the remnants of Sally and push it all to the east of us. So what we're expecting right now is not much in the way of rainfall from Sally's remnants. If the front's a little slower, this high a little slower to build in, I could see some of those remnants getting drawn northward a little bit more. So we still are going to be keeping an eye on that for Thursday night into Friday, but at this point that 7-day forecast is looking really dry. Upper 60s today, mid 70s tomorrow, then near 80 on Thursday. 60s for highs Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And Pat was talking about those late night lows when you wake up Sunday morning and Monday morning in the 40s.